Guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I have an AliExpress haul for you guys today. Sorry about the paper up here. I tried to get it as far out of the frame as possible, but I'm doing some painting, so I just kind of pushed everything forward. Like I said, AliExpress haul, kind of gearing up for Christmas. I also did pick up a few things for Halloween, but a fun haul overall. The first thing is this sequin mix. So this one has crystal like drops in it, as well as like little peppermint swirls, and then just the classic white and red sprinkles. Let me see if I can find something to show it to you. Isn't that pretty? I love how those crystals sparkle. I'm really happy with that mix, and you get quite a bit. This is like one of those, like 3-inch package, and it is stuffed full. So really happy with that purchase. I bought these containers. I was just kind of looking on like the non-crafty stuff, and these are like food prep containers, and I don't know, I bought them. And if they don't work for food because they are kind of thin, I'll use them to store crafty stuff in. So either way, that's fine, but they are food safe. They look like that. So there's 4 separate spots on it. So I don't know, I thought they would be nice, like just when you're doing meal planning and want to measure out your food. So picked up those. There's another one of those things, like you don't know what size things are when you're on AliExpress, and they showed this on a wall display, like a gallery wall, and it looked like it was, oh, I don't know, like a 10 by 13 or something. And it's really only like a 5 by 7. It's on canvas. It's super cute. Those little ghosts holding hands are just adorable. Like I said, it is on like this canvasy material, but it's tiny. So I'll probably just end up framing it and putting it in my craft room for Halloween time. It's still cute, but I wouldn't have paid the $3 or $5 or whatever it was for this, knowing it was this small. So live and learn. I think that's, I don't know, a chance we take on that website. This is some little things for junk journaling that comes in this really cute little bag. It says Merry Christmas on it. It's like a little canvas bag. And these, it's just a little book like this. It says Little Christmas Special, and it's just different Christmas stamps, basically, or made to look like stamps with that's what it reminds me of anyway, with the scalloped edges. Yeah, I thought that was really cute. I thought those would be nice for journaling. I don't think there's any repeats, so it's all just different patterns. I thought that was cute. This, I did not remember ordering these, and I had to look them up, and I was like, what the heck are these things? So they're like vintage circus stickers, and I am putting together like a bunch of vintage circus kind of junk journal stuff to post in my Etsy shop. And I thought I could include these. So they're kind of creepy, but fun. So there's a clown. There's another like clown and policeman. The size isn't bad. It's like a little boy training his dogs. Girl on a horse. There's an elephant and a clown. Another clown. Donkey and a clown. And a lady on a horse with a clown as well. And then these are smaller, but kind of the same concept. I think these are more all over kind of circus, not just clowns. So I don't really know what that is. Here is a person on a horse with a flag. Here's some animals. They got the giraffe. Here's some clowns. Little clown there. And this size is a little bit smaller. This is probably 1 inch to 2 inches. I don't know, I think they're cute. Lots of different clowns there. Little bear. There's a little clown and then some balloons as well. There's a circus tent. A bear with balloons. We have some roses. A gentleman getting ready. I don't think that has anything to do with the circus. We got a little bear on a little bicycle. A woman on a giraffe. Some more flowers. And then people courting, I guess. I don't know. So, and then these were some little freebies that they sent. I said, I think those will be perfect for that vintage circus type theme. They feel like a really good quality too. They're like a thicker vinyl. So that's nice. Not like it's just a paper sticker. The freebies look kind of like, maybe like an anime kind of look to them, or kawaii a little bit. A little cactus, like a little girl reading in the grass, a little leaf, and then flowers. Those were cute for a little free gift. All right, next up. So these are what I was telling you guys about. Let me just grab the potion bottles. So I had picked up these potion bottles at Dollar Tree. They came in like at the end of like the Halloween season, and it looks like a potion bottle, and I had bought these little potion stickers, and these are really nice, and you get so many. But I was wondering if the stickers would be too small to put on here, but I think they'll be perfect. Look at that. I think that works out perfect. So I could like picture painting it black, distressing it, and then adding one of these larger stickers on. So these are really cool. I do wish they were a little bit bigger, but I think the smaller ones you might be able to wrap around a little like corked bottle from Dollar Tree as well. So I don't know, I think those are really cool. Dragon's Breath. Deadly Nightshade, look at that one. That's perfect. What else do we have? Witch Wine, Pumpkin Spice Liquor, Halloween with a raven on there. Looks like that. Werewolf Fur, Death Potion, Witch's Brew, Zombie Brew, Poison Apples, Vampire Blood, Coffin Nails, Snake Venom, Bone Powder, Spider Venom, Scarecrow's Reserve, Witch's Brew, Snake Oil, Bat Blood, Witch's Brew, Pumpkin Ale, Crow's Feet, Eye of Newt, Dementor, ooh, Arsenic Poison, Candied Skull. So anyway, I just think those are really neat. I am happy with this purchase, and I was so excited that they're going to fit on here and they're going to work. Those are going to be great Halloween little crafts for next year. Get those back in there. Yeah, and you get a lot of them too. Next, I have a couple things that I'm just saving off to the side here because they're not crafty related, and I'll just show you all at once. All right, I bought these for junk journaling as well. I thought these would be a little bit bigger, but I'll still use them. So these are like vintage wrapping paper sheets. they're just like a, you know, a regular paper, but they're made to look like vintage wrapping paper, or the replicas of vintage wrapping paper. So they look like this. So those will be cute for junk journaling. I thought maybe I'd be able to decoupage with them, but I don't know. I'll give them a try. The patterns are really pretty. I could use them in a December daily too, or something like that. Yeah, so like I said, I thought they'd be a little bit bigger, but that's what you get. Let's see. This is 2 additional sequins mixes. This one is super cute as well. Let me put this in here. This is like a gingerbread, or almost like a cookie. So like I bought this to, if I made those faux caramel apples, and I was thinking of making like faux iced cookies for Christmas. And doesn't that look super cute? Like chocolate chips, little gingerbreads, little peppermints, snowflakes, and then sprinkles. So I was thinking of that when I bought these 2. And then this one, I don't think I have to dump out. You can just see it's the red, green, and white sprinkles with the little peppermints in it. So I love both of those. All right, so lastly is just this stuff from Chaos Scraps. Some pastel sprinkles here. These are really cute. These are little snowmen buttons. And you can put them together to look like a little snowman. So it is the head, the buttons, and then there's a flat piece for the hat, and then that. So it goes together like that. Isn't it so cute? They're gonna make little cute dangles or ornaments, but I love those. I cannot wait to send those off in some swaps. The rest are dies. So I told you I got the Cookies for Kringle paper set off of Peachy Cheap. So I want to do some kind of a Christmassy thing, whether it be a recipe book or something. So I bought some baking theme things from Chaos Crafts. So this is the apron, which I love this one. I've seen a lot of those before. This is the winter word set. It says cold, snow, winter, and something else. Burr. So this isn't new. This is the same set she had out last year. This is a shaker coffee mug die. It's super cute. I'll put these probably together for you guys and show you, but it is, like I said, a mug, and it is a shaker. This word set says sweater weather, which I love. This is a shaker die that says baked with love. It's a mixing bowl, and it's got like a little spatula, and it's got some cookies in there as well. This is a Halloween word set. It's ghoul, spooky, eek, and scary. I don't think that's new either. This is a baking word set. Kiss the cook. Something with love. See if I can figure that out. Sweet stuff. Babe. Yeah, I can't read what that says. But, so those are the baking words. And then the last thing from Chaos Crafts, it is a dual set. It's a recipe card Memdex. So it comes with a recipe card stamp that it's cut out on with the, or it's got the Memdex spots right there. It fits around the Memdex perfectly. And then it's got a little pocket on it that you can put in your little baking utensils. It's so cute. So I'm excited to try that out. And then the last thing I got, not crafty related, but I just got some accessories for my Apple Watch. I bought a gray and a white band. And then also the watch faces came with it as well. So those are like protectors for it. And then I got some charms to go with it. This set is my initial in silver. This is just some in gold. And these go around the band, like up here around it, or actually like up here. And then I also got these charms. So these go through the holes. So at the hole that you're not using, these can go in. So there's just like a pink and yellow. There's just this little like taupe colored bow. And then I got a silver snowflake. So I thought those were cute, just something to dress it up. Nothing, you know, you wear your watch all the time, and you know, just something to dress it up a little bit. So anyway, that's all I got from AliExpress. I have everything linked below if you guys are interested in ordering anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.